Hi, I'm Richard Aselta, and I'm a defense attorney for students. A question that I get asked a lot by both students and parents is, should I bring an advisor to an academic integrity hearing? So I'm sure most of you all know you get charged with some sort of an academic or disciplinary violation, and you've selected or you're going to go through a hearing process. Now, in public schools, almost every single public school that I've ever seen allows a student to have an advisor with him or her through the hearing. And that advisor can be an attorney. Private schools, to a lesser extent, they're allowed to a lot more leeway with their policies, but there are many private schools that also allow you to bring an advisor. So what can the advisor do? What can't they do? Well, again, practically every school, there is a couple of exceptions, but practically every school that I've dealt with, advisors, both in public or private school, cannot actively be involved in the process through the hearing. What does that mean? Well, if I go, I cannot advocate for you. I cannot argue on your behalf or question witnesses for you. The student still has to do all that, but the advisor can be there. They can help the student. They can help keep the student organized. They can pass notes to the student, whisper things to the student. Be there for them. And so a lot of times, and that's laid out in the handbook, so parents or students will ask me, well, look, I know you can't really, say anything. Is it still a good idea? Does it really help? And here's the honest answer. From the hearings that I've gone to, yes, I do think it helps for a few different reasons. Number one, I think it keeps the student calmer, especially if they're far away from home and a parent can't be there with them. I think it's important that the school sees that somebody is there supporting the student, and that support usually makes the student feel better. Number two, again, the advisor, at least for me, when I'm there, I help the student. I keep them on track. I keep them organized. I keep them focused. I pass notes to them. I am there sort of as another set of eyes and ears so that I can help the student, and it can make a big difference. Another reason, I think that it keeps the process more honest. What do I mean by that? Well, there is a third person now that's in that room that's not connected to the university. So in my experience, I think that panels are more likely to follow the rules, to play things by the book, to be more respectful to the students. I've heard some really crazy stories of students that have been in these hearings with these panels, and they're treated terribly. They're yelled at, they're not allowed to present their case, and when I've been with students, that has never ever happened, and I don't suspect it ever will. So I think it keeps the process more honest, and in a sense, and what does that do? It gives the student a better chance at victory. So if you find yourself in a scenario, whether it's a disciplinary hearing or some sort of student conduct violation, give me a call. I offer free consultations. I'd be happy to discuss the matter with you. Thank you very much.